Where are you going?
Fuck you. Let's see if it replies. That bird cusses. Watch it.
White one?
Yeah, fuck you. Come on. Oh, I think it's coming down. It charged at me last time.
That the white one charges?
Yeah, and it told me, and he's like, F you, literally.
Dude, I don't like being in the middle of things.
Dude, you should have brought my broom.
Fuck you. What did you just say?
He curses a lot.
Whoa.
Oh my gosh, get out of here.
When those things go up, you gotta get back. No, fuck you.
Did he say it?
Hey, chill. What? Fuck you? What? Don't mumble it, say it. What? You want to say it? Did he say it?
I don't know.
Fuck you! Fuck you! She's gonna be like all the birds are gonna say it.
What? I'm
Oh, is it getting mad at me right now?
Oh, dude, that thing's gonna bite you.
He's just talking all shit. Hey! You don't yell at me. What? This is so crazy. That's crazy.
Supposedly the previous owners just had like a really bad language or something.
What in the world is he doing?
Nobody knows.
Hey. He looks like he's gonna charge at me. I pointed at him and his head goes up.
That bird literally charged at me, not even joking. It got on the ground and charged at me.
I don't want to see that. Whoa!
Whoa, okay, I'm out of here. Dude, get out.
They're all working towards me. Dude. I'm out of
Alright, I'm gonna go get some ginger.